Hello friends, hopefully you're all well. So today we discuss about how we can enhance and update our existing CV according to the needs and requirement of the company. So in this video I will not do anything manually, but I will take this task to the popular AI tool which name is ChatGPT. Before starting, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here I have opened a job related to the Flutter. As you know, I'm Flutter developer, so I have implemented this method to this job, but you can implement this method to any type of job related to development, any type of development, and you can also implement this method to the scholarship. What we do, so here I am scrolling down, and here you can see the key responsibility and skill qualification of this job. So now I am simply copying this key responsibility and skill qualification. So after copying, I'm going to chat gpt, and here I have already write a prompt. This prompt I will provide on the description box of this video. So after writing this commands, paste your key responsibility and skill qualification in double inverted comma. So I'm just paste my copy text into inverted commas and just press enter. So here you can see that chat gpt automatically generate a skills qualification and key responsibility according to the this job. So you can simply copy this generated key responsibility and education and qualification and paste your on your cv. But if you want to add something according to your needs, so you can add anything according to your need in your cv. So friends, this is a simple method to enhance and update your existing cv. So friends, this is a short video. Hopefully this video will helpful for your any type of knowledge and any type of for job. So meet you on next video. Allah Hafiz.